So check it out. I keep telling myself I'm not a clockwork guy, but it seems like, oddly enough, more and more of these have found their way into my collection, especially when I can get a good deal on one, like I did this whistling Mercury. I offered $26 and the seller took it. Can't remember what the shipping was, $8-10, but it cost me a lot more than that to go to a train show when I figure in snacks and gas. So anyway, I got it all cleaned up. I used some Armor All to clean up the shell nicely. It's got a few little scratches and dings, but they're just love scratches. That means somebody cared enough and enjoyed it enough to play with it a little bit. It's not abused. The seller said that it ran, but they didn't say anything about the whistle mechanism, so I kind of was a little suspicious there, but I took the chance and bought it anyway. And the little arm that actuates the whistle was bent, so I have a big heavy piece of round stock that I can use to straighten out any dents and dings in metal like that. So I got it straightened out. I got the motor all lubricated up, got it wound up. Got a few cars behind it, just try to keep the speed down a little bit. I know the little psycho is going to take off like a mad banshee, probably hit ludicrous speed and scare me with all my custom paints around here, but that's okay. It makes it fun. So we'll take it for a spin, and if it lands anywhere where I can reach it, we'll wind it up and we'll send it around again. So here we go. Got a strong mechanism that took off without needing to push. We'll pick the camera up and we'll follow a little cycle around. Looks like he's got at least one lap left in him. Let's see what happens if he makes it over here or not. And it looks like he's going to. And he stops. Maybe I can reach him. There we go. Okay, so if you just give me a minute, we'll wind him up again. We'll send him around again. I can imagine a kid having a lot of fun with these on Christmas morning. Probably drive his or her parents nuts with a whistle mechanism, but that's okay. A lot more annoying toys than this, so. See if I can get it coupled up. There we go. And here we go again. And we'll pick it up again. I am glad I have 036 curve, which helps keep it on the track. Oh, this is his last lap. I don't know if he'll make it back here or not. Oh, he's made it to the corner. And then he stops. They are really cool. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.